Okay, fast focus for week 2, letter B. Again, some of you had it, some of you didn't. Amanda poured 3/9 pints of water in her dog's bowl and 1 1/4 pints of water in her cat's bowl. How many more pints of water did she pour into her dog's bowl than her cat's bowl? So here's the question. How many more? Which leads us to understand that it is a subtraction problem. She poured 3 9/16 into the dog's bowl, 1 1/4 into the cat's bowl. Okay, you're going to make an equivalent fraction. So we need to know, can 4 go into 16? Okay, yes, 4 goes into 16. So 16 is my least common multiple. So now I have to look and I have to see. 16 already equals 16, so that means 9 is going to equal 9. So that one does not change. 9/16 is equal to 9/16. But 1/4 does not equal something over 16 unless I multiply it. So what can I multiply 4 by to get 16? Times 4. Okay? And whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. And 1 times 4 is 4. And now we're going to subtract. If I have 9 and take away 4, that works. It's 5. So my answer is 5/16. That's not an answer choice because we also have to take care of the whole number. If I have 3 and I take 1 away, I have 2 left over. So 2 5/16 would be my answer. All right, number 2. A principal painted 1/10 of the wall in the library. The principal's assistant painted 1/8 of the wall in the library. How much of the wall had they painted combined? So we're looking combined, which means we're adding. Okay, the principal painted 1/10, the assistant painted 1/8. So you're going to add 1/10 and 1/8. So find the common denominator. List the multiples of 10 and the multiples of 8. And let me hint, it's not 80. Okay? It's not going to be 80. So which one of these would be a multiple of both 8 and 10? Okay? Then you're going to make equivalent fractions by multiplying. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. And then you add the numerators and keep the denominator. All right. Number 3. Jason's pencil is 5/8 foot long. Paxton's pencil is 2/3 of a foot long. What fraction of a foot longer is Paxton's pencil than Jason's? Okay, so you have to pay attention to this question because they flipped it on you. Normally, you would say 5/8 minus 2/3. Jason's pencil is 5/8, Paxton's is 2/3. How much longer is Jason's pencil? 5/8 minus 2/3. But they flipped the question. It says, what fraction of a foot longer is Paxton's pencil than Jason's? Indicating that 2/3 is going to be longer than 5/8. So you have to do 2/3 minus 5/8. All right, so you're going to have to find a common denominator. It's either going to be 24, 12, 5, or 8. Well, it can't be 5 because it can't be smaller than your biggest numerator, biggest denominator, which is 8. So 5 is out. Find your common denominator. Make equivalent fractions. Remember, whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. And then subtract and see which one is your answer. All right, and number 4. Number 4 is kind of actually super easy. It says look at the model. So they're saying that 2/3 is equivalent to 4/6. they're saying 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. And then they're saying that you have one whole thing shaded here, and then 1 out of 6 shaded here. So that's 1 1/6. Or they're saying that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 models shaded out of 6 in each group, which would be 1 1/6. So if you just look at these, 4, 6 plus 3, 6, you're not going to get your answer. 2/3 plus 1/2, right? This was your answer right here. They gave you the answer. You just had to discover that 1 1/6 is the same as 7/6. Okay? All right, guys. Look for a new packet next week. It'll be the same kind of stuff. It'll be a Lone Star and a FastFocus. Guys, I'm so ready to be back. Let's just put it that way. I'm ready to be back. I'm ready to see y'all's faces, and I'm ready to just be back and back in some routine. But I hope everybody's doing well. I hope to see you Thursday at the Zoom, either 1 o'clock or 7 o'clock or 7:30. Okay? Miss you.